If you're searching for the best new AI software, look no further. In today's Full Context AI review, I'll cover the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this just released tool, and trust me, there's a lot to unpack. Stick around until the end because I'll also be sharing why Full Context AI could potentially be the breakthrough your business needs in 2025. But before we dive in, you can try Full Context AI for completely free through the first link in the description below. Now let's dive right in. Full Context AI is designed to solve problems that have long plagued businesses. Contextual AI, offering a unique ability to analyze, interpret, and generate content based on vast amounts of historical and real-time data. This isn't just another chatbot or generic tool. What makes Full Context stand out is its ability to maintain context over extended interactions, meaning it doesn't just give you surface-level responses. Instead, it can handle complex ongoing conversations while understanding the bigger picture, making it a game changer for customer service and digital marketing. One of the first features you'll want to explore is its ability to generate high-quality, contextually relevant content for websites, blogs, and social media. If you're in digital marketing or managing an online business, this is a huge time saver. Full Context doesn't just pull information from a database, it tailors content to your specific audience and business goals, keeping your messaging consistent and on brand. It's like having a personalized content strategist at your fingertips. Another standout feature is its advanced analytical capabilities. Full Context AI can analyze data from multiple sources, providing deep insights into trends, customer behavior, and content performance. This is a massive advantage for marketers who want to optimize their campaigns in real time. Rather than just throwing a marketing strategy out there and hoping it sticks, Full Context enables you to adjust your approach based on actual insights, ensuring your content resonates more with your audience. Full Context is also incredibly user-friendly, designed to minimize the learning curve. You don't need a background in AI or data science to get started. The interface is intuitive, making it accessible even for small business owners or digital marketing newbies. Plus, its flexible API integration ensures that you can easily incorporate it into your existing workflows, whether you're using platforms like Shopify, WordPress, or even CRMs. When it comes to pricing, Full Context offers a variety of packages to suit different business sizes. You can start with their free trial to test out its capabilities and see if it fits your needs. What's important here is that they provide a fair pricing structure with no hidden fees or surprise charges. This is something you won't find in many AI tools today. For those of you in e-commerce or customer support, Full Context AI can help streamline your operations by automating responses, processing feedback, and handling multiple inquiries simultaneously. Imagine being able to answer customer questions in real time while maintaining a high level of personalization and accuracy. This is what Full Context AI brings to the table. Finally, let's talk about the future of AI. Full Context AI is built to evolve. With continuous updates and improvements, the platform is constantly learning, ensuring that it adapts to new trends, data, and customer expectations. This forward-thinking approach means that, even as your business grows, Full Context will grow with you, offering new features that keep you ahead of the competition. To sum up, Full Context AI is one of the best AI tools I've seen released in a while. With its contextually intelligent capabilities, advanced analytics, and user-friendly interface, it's perfect for digital marketers, e-commerce businesses, and anyone who wants to stay ahead in the AI game. And if you want to try it for yourself, don't forget to check out the free trial link below. After testing thousands of AI tools, Full Context AI is at the top of my list. If you're interested in exploring more AI software options, I've got a list of my recommended tools in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.